If you ever want to stop working for money, your money has to start working for you. And that can only happen through investing. In this video, in the next couple minutes, I'll break it down, the simple truths about investing and why it's the only true path to financial freedom. Let's go. First of all, let's start with a clear definition of what investing is. Investing is putting your money into assets that can either grow in value or generate you income, generate you dividends. It can be real estate, stocks, crypto, bonds, anything that can give you a return. And here is why it matters. There is something called an inflation. Inflation quietly stealing your money. If you're just saving, investing is going to steal it. For example, you have $100,000 in savings, inflation of 7% a year, for example. In 10 years, you only have $50,000 left. You just lost 50% of your purchasing power. So to combat that, to fight the inflation, you have to invest and make your money work for you. There is this amazing book by Robert Kiyosaki called the Cashflow Quadrant, where he describes there is 4 areas. There is the employee, which is trading time for money. There is a self-employed, which you work for yourself, but you're still trading time for money. And then there is the business, which is building big businesses and systems that work for you and generate you cash flow. And there is the investor. So this is where your money works for you. You have to move from this left side to the right side, and this is the most beautiful part, to make your money work for you. Even investing $10,000 a month at the 10% annual return, okay, within 10 years, you can have it grow the portfolio to $2 million that can generate passive cash flow of $20,000 per month, very conservatively. There's 3 levels of financial freedom. There is financial security, which basically you generate enough passive income to cover your very basic needs. There is the financial independence, which you should all strive for, which you're independent of work and your passive income covers your current level of expenses. And there is financial freedom, where you truly live a freedom life, which means your assets generate enough passive income to cover the lifestyle of your dream, the lifestyle that you truly want. And the only way to make it happen is through investing. So let's make it a regular habit. Here's how you get started. Number 1, set a clear goal. Like, what is it that you are investing for? To buy a house, to buy a portfolio of houses, to have a retirement, to have financial freedom in several years. Define that goal. Second, invest regularly. Okay, make it a habit, make it part of your life every single month. Like, you're brushing your teeth every morning, every month you are investing an amount. Doesn't matter if it's $100, $1,000, $5,000 or $10,000, make it regular and strive to grow it. Third, understand what you're investing in. Never speculate, never gamble, never, go and search for different speculations, meme coins that you don't really understand. Make it a habit to invest in what you understand. Be patient. Patience is a virtue in investing. All the great investors, they have tremendous amount of patience. They've been investing and holding for not just 1, 2, or 5 years, but decades. Think in decades. And diversify. Don't put everything in just one thing. Have different places where you regularly invest your money. This is how you win. If you remember anything in this video, the only way to achieve financial freedom is that you start investing, however small it is. Start with $100, create an account, make something happen, and set a goal to grow it continuously, but make it part of your life, part of your routine, part of what you do, because this is the way to freedom. I hope you enjoy this video. You want to be part of our strategic wealth builders, movements, people that really strive to manage, control their financial flow and build true, real, lasting wealth. And I'll see you in the next videos.